cosmetics company store. In one of my videos, I was talking about the new Studio Fix because the packaging was different. I guess they straight up changed the entire formula. Studio Fix powder is one of the best. It's the best of the best. And it's been that for decades. When I went there last time, a couple months ago, was it, or like a month ago, they had a bunch of Studio Fixes. I'm gonna go there and see if I could snag one or two. Even if it's like a darker, cool tone, I can use it for contouring or, you know, like bronzing. The sales are just so good. And also, I really like their eyeliner because out of all the ones that I tried, I was playing with my eyeliners last night and the MAC one did not transfer on my contact lenses. So, I don't know, I want to see what's there.
Yeah, sold out, so no, I'm sorry.
Babsies, I don't know if you remember her from my It's Judy Time videos.
When we went to Ulta.
Oh my gosh, I remember. We're about to hit up one of our favorite beauty stores. Ulta!
I got this shimmer palette, metallic eyeshadow palette in Ulta.
We used to travel 45, 50 minutes just to go to Ulta.
Yeah,
now there's one right up the street.
Wait, they're opening one at this mall. They're gonna sell it retail, and we're still discounted.
You guys, the best deals. What is it? 30 to 50%?
No,
off?
it's 30 for luxury like Tom Ford, and then 40 for bestsellers and 50 for everything else.
That was better than when
Better
I
than
worked
ever.
here.
Yeah.
You guys need to hit up the cosmetics company store. Literally the best prices. Back with my haul. JB's here too. Hi, JB.
Hi. I did JB's makeup.
I asked her to, yeah.
She looks like a porcelain
like
doll.
her.
In person,
yeah,
she looks
in the camera,
airbrushed.
it looks like...
Yeah, it's here. Come closer, baby. Okay. I bought. But
so
this
sad about
was definitely a splurge. I just love Bumble and Bumble, and I bought like a mini size for JB for her to try out because she's been experimenting with different shampoos.
My favorite shampoo, they stopped making it.
Oh, it's like goat's. What was it?
Goat's milk or something. It's like Beekman,
Yeah,
but goat's milk.
Beekman.
They have a really good moisturizer actually, but it's $100.
Yeah, they stopped making their shampoo and good conditioner, but we tried it for the first time at a hotel. I tried to ask the guy, can we get extra of the shampoo and conditioner?
He did give it to us, but like that was a long time ago, and I only have one little bottle. I'm saving it.
Oh, don't save it. I'm telling JB, don't save your stuff. Use it.
What
This
if
is why
I'm saving
you're
it?
just gonna waste it if it expires. Anyways, the Bumble and Bumble
I
seaweed
like it.
shampoo.
I like
it smells so good. It gets your hair so soft. You gotta share it with your sisters because I know she doesn't want to share it. And then the powders I picked up. So I did get some dark ones for bronzer and contour. I got NW50. And you know what? I don't know the exact prices because I got the friends and family discount. So obviously it's not like I really don't know the prices of these, but I'm telling you they are so
really? For the
cheap.
real price?
I got NW33 for kind of a brightener. Let me just see if it
And then the other one's for bronzer.
Does it work as a brightener for me? Let me see.
It might just be normal foundation.
I know it might be.
It looks like a normal foundation.
Oh yeah, it does look like a normal foundation.
It looks good though. Is it powder?
Yeah, it is. Oh, it's still kind of dark, huh?
It looks good though.
Or is it exactly my
No,
shade?
look
That's
at me.
kind of crazy.
In real life, it looks good. In the camera, let me see the camera.
Maybe it is.
You don't think it's a shade?
NW33? I would have never thought I was a NW shade. Anyway, you know what? Let's just go all in today.
Yeah, maybe.
While we're
do your
playing with makeup. Because that's basically what we're doing, playing with makeup.
It's a
Looks
little
like I'm
bit dark.
getting-
It's a little bit dark.
You know what? It's like,
like
it has like a
reddish.
reddish undertone.
Yeah. Or like, what's it called?
Because it is warm.
Yeah, let's say warm.
It's warm.
Kind of like, what else is it? Pinkish.
Okay, so much for it being a brightener. That's the downside. Even though they do have testers, I still don't like using testers on my face.
I mean, yeah. Who does? I don't think.
Oh, you'd be surprised. I used to work at that store and you'd see people literally doing their makeup in there, and I'm like, oh, you don't know. You just never know who's double dipping, who's like the bacteria that's in there. If you know about Estee Lauder, one of their best selling serums is the Advanced Night Repair. And I know it says night repair, but they do recommend to use it day and night, and that's what I've been using. I got a little travel size. How cute is this? I'm putting this in my travel bag. And then I also got just like a small size.
Oh my gosh. Middle school. 1998.
Oh yeah, I was 6th grade. I was your age of that one. JB's looking at my yearbook.
Did you have a signing day?
At the end, well, during passing period,
Really?
we would do that one during lunch.
It looks so good.
I was telling Babs, my eyeliners are always transferring to my contact lenses, and she's like, you gotta try this one. So this is Estee Lauder Double Wear in Kohl. She said this is a good one because it dries matte, and it actually dries pretty quick. I'm gonna try this today.
I forgot you were
Look at that.
Gutierrez.
Yes.
I was thinking of the T's.
No. This was before Daddy and I started dating, babe.
Yeah, obviously.
Actually, this is before I even met Daddy. I didn't know Daddy in 6th grade. They didn't have all of the shades.
Oh my goodness.
Did you find me?
Yeah.
Let me see, babe.
You didn't know it was bad. You look like so pretty.
Really?
Oh, there's another photo of you. There's like one of the big pictures of you with your friends.
I don't even remember.
Look at it. Look at it.
Oh my
Look
gosh, look at that. I see Mia. I see Mia in that photo. This was 6th grade Judy Gutierrez. All my teachers called me Gutierrez.
Old Navy.
All right. I also went to Ulta. The best high-end lashes that I've ever tried are Lily lashes. It says you could use it up to 25 times. Obviously, you just take care of it. Yeah, I think this is it. Oh yeah. These are the ones that I wore in Vegas. I put it in this Ardell case. I really wanted to try Miami, which this is what they're known for, but this is Miami Flare. It's more wispy compared to the original Miami, where it's kind of like, it has like long lashes all throughout. I think I want to wear this today. I've been wanting to try Naturium forever, and I didn't realize that they sold this at Ulta. So actually JB is wearing this right now. I'm gonna wear the combo that I put on JB. Wrestling Club.
There's the late arrivals pictures.
Okay, so this is muted pink in Huda Beauty.
There's so many pictures. This looks like our like this is the exact like size of ours.
Oh, it does.
They like displayed it, but we're gonna get it soon. I'm so excited to get it.
So you get it on Tuesday?
So no one can buy any more cookies. Oh my goodness, there's another yearbook. It says Back to the Future on it.
I bought this Milani. I've been wanting just a regular shadow stick, and I just wanted to get, honestly, like an affordable one. The first one that came to mind was NYX Jumbo Pencil, but of course they didn't have any of the regular colors available. They just had like blue, green. They had black, but I didn't want black. I just wanted like an actual brown. I always have trouble getting these open because it has that plastic around it, and having nails, it makes it nearly impossible. Milani stick. This is in shade Terra.
The top 10 worries of 1979 were grades, looking good, parents/teachers getting mad.
Wait, and of 1979?
Yeah, and then it compares it to 1998.
Oh.
So 1979, it's grades looking good, parents and teachers getting mad, parents dying, homework.
Oh my gosh.
Breaking up with boyfriend/girlfriend, the hostages, Russia and or the nuclear war.
Oh wow.
Zits and popularity. And in 1998, it was bad grades. dying, being home alone,
Oh my gosh, dying?
fearing each other. It was when it was the 8th grade or 7th grade one. It was one before actually. What was your mascot again?
The, what, middle school? Was it Tomahawk? Oh no,
It was like something with paws.
Wildcats?
I don't know.
You know what I need to do? I should have been doing this already. I meant to do my hair before I started doing makeup, but then I forgot. So I already have my hot rollers heated.
Oh my gosh.
JB, don't forget to help clean downstairs, baby.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's so many phone numbers. What if I called them?
And I bet you it would just be the parents' house.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be crazy. What
Because
if-
nobody had cell phones then.
Yeah,
Cell phones
yeah.
did not exist.
Like, that's crazy. I wonder what the...
Or if it
how
did, it's like
shows
for
all
the rich.
worries? How it shows all the worries?
Uh-huh. Okay. So, I'm using, this is Pixie's Brow Duo. I'm just gonna quickly run it through my brows. JB's looking through all of my memorabilia stuff that I kept since I was her age, basically.
After the mall, Nina and Lenny took us to Rally's for lunch. It was so fun because Vanessa and Shirley kept laughing at
Cheryl.
each other, and Vanessa had a drink in her mouth, so she spat it out on Shirley's face.
Cheryl's face.
And it was so funny.
I don't remember that. Aw, Ninang Lenny. She's the one that just passed away.
Who's 98?
98 Degrees?
Yeah.
Oh, they were, they're a boy band.
Oh, you met them.
Yeah.
And then here,
I met.
I knew one of them were missing because there were only 3 of them. I told that to Jasmine, and she went up to them and asked, "Are you 98 circle? Are you 98 degrees?" I started shaking, and I went up to them, and Nick started to shake my hand and told me his name. And then came Drew. He asked me my name, and of course I told him. Then the next other guy, and he shook my hand. And then we took a picture. I couldn't believe I actually met them personally. I was so happy. I kept talking about them the rest of the day.
That was at Six Flags.
Well, we came to California on the 17th. We went to Hollywood the next day. I gotta go now because Auntie Jen wants me to turn off the lights. So good night. Oh.
What year was that? That must have been 98.
This is always Judy Gutierrez. Doesn't say here. Oh, it does at the beginning of the thing. It says 7/24/98.
Yeah. That was
Dear
the summer
diary.
of
It
98.
was pretty cool. Okay, I'm not gonna read this.
What memories? Okay.
I feel like I'm reading your mind, and that's kind of weird because it's like.
Because it's like my mind when I was your age.
Yeah, and it's kind of weird, so I'm not gonna read it anymore. It's like, no, not that your mind is just weird that it's like reading your mind.
Yeah.
It's like what you're thinking of. I feel like when I'm older, I wouldn't want my kids to read my diaries.
You're
I had
so
one thing.
funny, baby.
Maybe I would, but.
We're going for Miami. Your girl's gonna have some Vavavoom lashes. Between classes, like say during passing period, or like, oh here, take this home and bring it back to me tomorrow.
Oh,
That's what we used to do. Those are called slam books. Wait, you gotta bring it over here, baby. I wanna show this.
If I did that, people would forget to bring it back.
No, well, that was a thing back then. Here. You know what? Now that I think about it, I wonder if slam books are like not allowed or encouraged because sometimes people would say mean things.
Oh.
Yeah, because that was the year that we moved here. That's so crazy.
Wow, you really wanted to go back to California. Oh my gosh, another one was if only I, and you put if only I still lived in California. Let me find another California.
The area I moved to was predominantly white. People looked at me different. I felt like an outcast. I didn't feel comfortable moving, especially at an age of 11, 12, when you feel like so much peer pressure to be like everyone, to be into the cool things, and that was a really, really tough time for me actually.
Oh.
So that's why in this slam book I talk about wanting to go back to California. Here, give it to me, baby.
You also wrote a bad word though.
What did I write? Let me see. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I wrote that.
Even I wouldn't write that.
Oh my god. Yeah, you're right. That's, see, JB, this is why, remember, like, I'm trying to fit in. This is why you don't do slam books no more. They don't do slam books. Who
It's
remembers
like a burn
this?
book, you know, like what
It
happened.
is. It's like a... Oh my gosh, it still smells like Sanrio. Oh my gosh, that's so cool that it still smells like it.
Wait, let me see what else wrote.
Oh man, yeah, they don't do. I bet you if you look for slam books, you could find them. But yeah, when it says, the title said biggest flirt. And then I put somebody and I said the word S-L-U-T. And
Just say it.
JB.
You're a doll.
Yeah, well, yeah, I don't know. It just
say
seems
it.
so derogatory. And you see, even JB's shocked. And I'm so proud that you know,
Oh.
like, wow, I would never say those words.
Oh,
That's
one of
right.
the questions was cutest girl, and you all said I'm not lesbian. You said I'm no lesbo. That's what you wrote.
The stuff you write as a kid, where you're just not thinking. Oh
Another
my
one
gosh.
said don't judge guys. Here, you can look at it actually.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you, baby. That is funny. I don't even remember last time I looked at that too.
There's another one. You have a lot of them.
Yeah, Spotty Dotty. Oh my gosh, I forgot all about Spotty Dotty.
What was that girl's name?
Wait, that might be my one from California.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because they're different people, I think. Guess what your favorite movie was?
This was in 96 or 97, so what was popular then?
Everyone has a different one. There's no. It doesn't look like there's a popular one.
Maybe Little Rascals?
No, but I'll show you the ones that aren't yours.
Okay.
One of them was Jumanji.
Oh,
One was
yeah,
Babysitter's Club.
Jumanji. Oh, I loved Babysitter's
One
Club.
of them is Clueless. And yours was yours was Jumanji.
Jumanji was pretty bomb.
Guess who your favorite actor was? I don't know who this person is. Actually, it's Alicia Silverstone.
Alicia Silverstone. She's the one in the movie Clueless.
Oh.
Yes. She was also in, I think she was in the Babysitter's Club show. She was a mom.
Mm-hmm.
Here's my quick
You
makeup look. You know what this is? Hold on, baby. I look so mad. It's kind of giving, these lashes, it's giving Mariah Carey. I like the contour and bronzer. It's nice and subtle. And yeah, I like it. What do you think, JB?
It looks good.
Yeah, it's not, that's funny. I thought this foundation was way lighter than my skin, but it actually matches pretty well. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye, JB.
Bye.
JB, why are you so scary? Okay, 1, 2, 3, look here.